Hello everybody, this is East Sussex Biker. Well, I'm up in Milton Keynes and I'm at the Superbike Factory and I'm just having a nose. I've had a sat on this one, little Himalayan. I'm not really looking to buy, but it's quite nice to have the chance to try these things. This is nice, BMW 9T. I'm not interested in any of the tracers. I tried this Ducati Desert, too big for me. I quite like this though, the KTM 1290, that was really nice. What else did we look at? I had a sit on the Triumph as well. I think it was the red one. That wasn't bad. But they've just had a delivery of bikes, so it's a little bit gappy here at the moment. I was looking at some of these Ducati Scramblers. They're quite good, but I particularly like this Triumph Scrambler 1200. What do you think? This is a street scrambler. And I had to sit on one of these as well. They're quite nice, but they just don't feel right. Don't need one of these, got one of them. So what else did we have a look at? Hayabusa, sold. Oh, I had to sit on this 650 RS. So my brother-in-law had the original Z650. Always seemed a little bit bigger than that. BMW, what's this? Little bullet there. Classic 350. I like these 9Ts. I'm just amazed that so many people. This is quite nice. I like this one. This colour, it's not bad. But I'm amazed at some of the low mileages of these bikes that they get in. It's really bizarre. People either don't ride them or, well, obviously they don't. That's quite nice. ZZR. Don't like it in black, never look clean. That's quite quirky, isn't it? All in green. And then we've got Ducati, Indian, Triumph Trophy, 1600 GT BMW. They're a monster, but they're really nice to ride. And actually, I'm only 5'6", but they're quite low as well, which is good. Harley Davidson. These are one of my favourite Harley Davidsons, a Sportster. This is only an 8.8. Yeah. Got to have the 1200. There we go, 1200. They're quite nice. Yeah, they're good fun, those. They make you smile. That's why I like those. It's not the right time for me to have one at the moment. I've got too many things that I use the other bikes for. It's a monkey bike there, look. Monkey! Great fun. What else have we got? Thruxtons. Ducati. I did sit on the Multistrada, that was quite nice. GSX-S. Yeah, I don't like all these naked things. Here's their workshop. And we've got all the sports bikes over there, but I'm not interested in those. So yeah, so I tried these two. Sat on one of these, the Bonneville. That was nice. So what would I have if I had all of these to choose from? That's really tough. Do you know, I think to be different, I think I'd actually go for I love my BMW. I really do. I don't like the fact it's got all the gizmos on it. Would I benefit by getting a 1250? No, I don't think so. I don't know why, but I'm quite drawn to the KTM. Very strange. Ready to race. Yeah, it's a weird one, that. I mean, the only thing that I don't like about Superbike Factory is the fact that none of the bikes look nicely detailed, and maybe that's all part of their policy and price plan, I don't know. I'd really like to have a Ducati though, it's just getting the right one. I haven't ridden one of these, it's Multistrada V4S. But yeah, they do look nice. I like red, but I also like blue. Blue's my favourite colour. So yeah. Little Enfield, bless its heart. I'd really like to get the Royal Enfield Bear 650 249. What do we got here? Honda. That looks so plain though, doesn't it? So plain. That's quite a nice looking bike. BMW. I'm guessing that's a 310. Well, I'll be damned. Husqvarna. Don't think you can get parts for Husqvarna. Lovely little thing. Not my colour. Yeah. So come on down to Superbike Factory and have a little look round. And let's say this is Milton Keynes, but my one's Crawley. I think this is seems to be a bigger setup than the one in Crawley. There you go. Thank you very much for joining me on this very small video. But I just thought I'd take the opportunity to show you Milton Keynes Superbike Factory. Bye bye.